Hello, Super Champions. Welcome to the Alphabet Detective Series. I'm Detective DEE, and today we're on an amazing adventure from A to Z. Each letter has 3 clues, and you get to help me find what starts with each letter. Ready? Grab your magnifying glass, and let's go. This is letter A. A is for apple.
Apple.
A is for alligator.
Alligator.
A is for ant.
Ant.
Awesome job, champions! This is letter B. B is for ball.
Ball.
B is for bears.
Bears.
B is for banana.
Banana.
Awesome job, champions! This is a letter C. C is for cat.
Car.
C is for cake.
Cake.
C is for car.
Cat.
Awesome job, champions! This is letter D. D is for dog.
Dog.
D is for drum.
Drum.
D is for duck.
Duck.
Awesome job, champions! This is letter E. E is for elephant.
Elephant.
E is for egg.
Egg.
E is for ear.
Ear.
Awesome job, champions! This is letter F. Is for fish.
Fish.
F is for frog.
Frog.
F is for fan.
Fan.
Awesome job, champions! This is letter G. Is for goat.
Goat.
G is for grapes.
Grapes.
G is for guitar.
Guitar.
Awesome job, champions! This is letter H. Is for hat.
Hat.
H is for horse.
Horse.
Is for house.
House.
Awesome job, champions! This is a letter I. I is for ice cream.
Ice cream.
I is for inky.
Ink.
I is for insect.
Insect.
Awesome job, champions! This is letter J. Is for juice.
Juice.
Is for jelly.
Jelly.
Is for jacket.
Jacket.
Awesome job, champions! This is letter K. K is for kangaroo.
Kangaroo.
K is for kite.
Kite.
K is for key.
Key.
Awesome job, champions! This is letter L. Is for lion.
Lion.
Is for leaf.
Leaf.
Is for lemon.
Lemon.
Awesome job, champions! This is letter M. M is for monkey.
Monkey.
M is for moon.
Moon.
M is for milk.
Milk.
Awesome job, champions! This is letter N. Is for nest.
Nest.
N is for nose.
Nose.
N is for net.
Net.
Awesome job, champions! This is a letter O. O is for orange.
Orange.
O is for owl.
Owl.
O is for octopus.
Octopus.
Awesome job, champions! Sorry, champions. This is the end of part 1 of the Detective ABC. Please watch part 2. Give us a thumbs up, click the like button, share this video, and subscribe. Champions, see you in part 2 of Detective ABC. Letters P to Z.